play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is...
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Failure as a son. Responsibility, listening, respect, effort, and success. Responsibility. Sons have a natural position within the family to help in all household areas. There are no specific areas of division for anything that needs to be done. It just should be done. A son must try to carry the family male torch, and daughters the female portion, to help the family prosper. This unwritten aspect of what children's responsibilities are to the family is very important to the success of the family. If everyone in the family unit is involved with the day-to-day household activities, the family will succeed. That's the hope of every mother and father, that their family will succeed and prosper. Listening. It's one of the most frustrating parts of parenting, having a son who won't listen. Parents are trying to tell the son everything he needs, not to hurt him, but for a positive outlook on life. If the dynamics of verbal communication is not established between the father and the son early, it'll be a problem. This bond will ensure the transfer of manly habits and duties that must be passed down from father to son. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. This relationship and bond with good communication will ensure the legacy of the family males. Respect. Sons should respect their parents, and the father must get the patriarchal respect in the family. The father's responsibility is to help the family existence, and the sons to live and prosper in life. It's something a father wants to do. It's not a requirement that he provided. As long as the son is respectful, then the father will put in the time and effort to help the son succeed. But the son must listen and follow the rules of the household. No matter what the family environment may be, farming, restaurant, or just neighborhood living, the son's duty is to help with any part of the family's ability to prosper. Effort. The son has a twofold role in the family. One is to help in the household wherever there's a need. The second is to get a good education to ensure his own success. These two roles are very important for the family legacy and the future of the son to prosper. Every man should want to help his family prosper and build a family wealth legacy. This legacy it will be passed down to his children and his grandchildren. It's something every man should want for the family, is that the wealth legacy lives on generation after generation. Success. Every son should have a desire to succeed in life. and in everything he does. There are many variables that may play a part in how well or how much each man will succeed, but there's no excuses for not being motivated or having the desire to try to become a success in life. This world's wonderful resources will be open to you if you only apply yourself and energy to reach and attain each goal. It's not going to be easy. There will be obstacles, but if you stay the course without letting anything stop you, the rewards that will come from your perseverance is worth the pain and effort you gave to gain that result. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
What this sound is, everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.